If we're talking about foam rolling, chances are you're at that stage of your treatment where you're kind of going from the recovery stage into the maintaining stage to where I don't need to adjust you as often. We don't need to see you in the office as often. But the reason for that is we made so much progress, and right now we want to make sure you're keeping all the progress that you made. We don't want to see you regress and slide back to where you were before, because then we have to treat you so many times to get you back to where you are right now. Foam rolling is an excellent way to take care of the muscles and soft tissues, everything but the bone, of your body in between treatments. When it comes to foam rolling, simple is better than complex, isn't it? So I want you to use as little pressure as you possibly can to start and work yourself up more and more and more pressure, more and more and more repetitions or passes along the muscle area. When you start foam rolling, you can actually, they've done studies where you can actually do foam roll every muscle group in your whole entire body in about 20 minutes. Okay, all I'm asking for per body area is about 5 minutes or less. Okay, so if we're doing the upper body or we're doing the lower body, you're looking at 10 minutes. Okay, if we do this every day, your muscles are going to become more flexible and pliable. They're going to recover faster. They're going to be able to keep the strength gains that you make over time too, and you're also going to be able to hold the adjustments that we're doing because the muscles are going to be able to recover. And what that means is I don't have to adjust you so many times. What that means is that now you're in the driver's seat. You're able to take care of those muscles in between treatments, and plus, you know, implementing the adjustments on the frequency that I recommend, as well as implementing some massage therapy or taping or RRT treatments or whatever it is that we need to do. You're going to make sure that you're set up to get the best results possible, and that's the name of the game. So in short, when it comes to foam rolling, less pressure, more passes. You're going to work yourself up from moderate pressure, maybe standing into a sitting position or standing into laying down on the floor. But I'm going to break these up into really simple videos for you, where we're going to take care of the upper body, we're going to take care of the lower half of your body, and we're also going to take care of your lower back. Okay? So again, if you have any questions on any of the videos, or you need further explanation in between your treatment sessions or whatever it is, contact the office. Let them know, hey, I'd like to spend a couple extra minutes with Dr. B. I had some questions on foam rolling for my low back, or foam rolling for my leg, or foam rolling for my shoulder, whatever it might be, and that way we can allow the appropriate amount of time for you. So if you have any questions, ask. I won't know that there's any concerns unless you let me know. And number two, have fun with this. This is going to be one of those things that's going to help your longevity, help the muscles, and help your body feel as amazing as it possibly can. So get involved with it, have fun with it, do it on a daily basis, and you're going to see some amazing results. So in the next video, we're going to start to break things down.